आवाज आ रही है बर्मा की सरजमी से आवाज आ रही है.
Al Khair Foundation is delivering vital aid amongst several camps across the Cox's Bazar district of Bangladesh, supporting the hundreds of incoming communities of Rohingya people.
6 hours they was in the boat and it was terrible journey. She is, I think, more than 80 years old and she is died because 6 hours she was in the boat in middle of the sea. So please keep going your donation. We Al Khair Foundation on the ground trying to rescue the people, trying to giving them comfort, trying to giving them food, shelter, whatever they need on the ground.
During their most testing and difficult time, many have arrived hungry, thirsty, and in need of immediate medical attention. Initial estimates state that the majority of refugees are women and children. They are desperately seeking shelter and safety. Al Khair's team within Myanmar is endeavoring to support the civilians with their basic human needs. Many will attempt to flee to neighboring countries via land and sea. However, not all will make it. Al Khair Foundation now urges you to support these vulnerable people who have suffered decades of persecution. Many are physically, mentally, and emotionally scarred. They are afraid and require immediate aid. Just £50 will provide food sustenance as either a food pack or as cooked meals. £30 provides clean drinking water. £25 delivers a much needed hygiene kit for a family or individuals. And £100 provides a shelter tent for a family or a group of refugees. Support the Rohingya people in their time of most dire need by calling Al Khair Foundation on 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.